What's up, everybody? What's going on? Thought I'd do a little working on the truck today. Do a 1991 GMC Sierra 1500. We're gonna do Rebel Dawg's garage today. So let's take a look at what we're working at here. This is my 350 engine. We're gonna get to that in a minute. Let's take a look at the truck, see what I've done to it. Some upgrades. Got a tinted windows on here. Got a strip across the top there. Take a look at the side here. Also replaced the mirrors. Got a little sport mirrors on here now. The windows aren't as dark as I would like them to be, but they're pretty dark. You can see right there. But you remember the steering wheel, how it used to move? Yeah, they got it all fixed now. So took the radio out, that was right there. I mean, this thing here kind of moves a little bit, so went ahead and took the radio out. But yeah, got tinted windows, fixed the steering wheel, so we're good there. Got a bed cover on here now. I like that. Hopefully it helps with the aerodynamics. Let's see what we got down here. Remember the roll pan? Got it welded on there. Got new suspension in the back. And yeah, just plugging right along here. One day I'd like to get a new rear end for it, maybe some different gears for racing. But take a look here. We got this side welded up right there. All right, let's move on around to the other side. This was the exhaust right here, and I didn't get a good video last time, so we're gonna get one this time. There's my knockoff Super 10, made in China. Of course, Flowmasters are made in China now, so they probably made it the same place. Oh yeah, I got one more upgrade. Right here, we have a new rebuilt transmission. My transmission went out, and yeah, it was all, had to get it rebuilt. They said it was so messed up I couldn't even rebuild it, so I got a rebuilt transmission for it. All right, so what else we got? Up front, we got new A-arms and ball joints. Got new suspension up front too, because the other stuff on here was all ragged out. You can see right here, you even got some writing on there. Let's see what it says. Either way, it's aftermarket stuff. Had to get it fixed also. New suspension over here. I got new A-arms, upper and lower, ball joints, pitman arm, idler arm. You can see right down there. I also did a AC delete right here. AC didn't work anyway, so no big deal. But today's project is right under here. The old factory air cleaner here. One bolt is gone. I can explain why here in a second. Let's go ahead and take this off and get it out the way. There. The old TBI. Right down here, I put a spacer in here, a 1-inch spacer. I think it messed up the shifting of the transmission, because after I put it in there, it shifted like it had a shift kit in there. I don't know if that's what messed it up, or is it just old and wore out. Either way, the transmission fluid used to be black. I took it to, after I put that in there, it wasn't shifting right, and I took it to a transmission shop. They had adjusted the pressure of it. And I said, can you do a filter change and all that? I said, no. is too gone. You would have to just rebuild the whole transmission. If you change the fluid in there, you just mess it up. So what we're going to do today is work on this little area right here, and we're going to see if we can't help it out a little bit. So let me get this camera set up here. Because what we're going to be working on here will be pretty cool. I hope. What we have is a air cleaner set up. First we got to get this bolt here out of the way. I got another bolt that goes in here that's a offset. I'll show it to you here in a second. There we go. So this is going to sit on here just like so. Well, hopefully. Yeah. How's that look? Now we're going to do it over here. Boom. Yeah, that'll do something. Let's put our offset in there. Alright, that ain't screwing in apparently. So, let's see if there's one here. It's supposed to screw into this thing right here, but that seems to be right there, so I don't think this is going to work. So this ain't. Huh. Apparently there's a hole in there. I just put it in to see if it would even do anything, but looks like it's doing something. Let's see if that's even close to what we need. Nope. This is what came with the kit, but I got this, so we're gonna see if this is gonna work. Turn on here. What do you think? That look pretty good. Well, surprised it actually fitting. What do you think? Looks like junk. Probably does. There we go. Look at that. Oh man. I think it might be better off putting it over here because it's hitting the bracket behind the air conditioner here. So I'm going to do that. We'll switch it over here. looks like it might get a little bit more air over here, so. Alright. And I will go back eventually and cut this right here off. This should give it like an extra 200 horsepower, right? There she is. Look pretty sporty. I know we'll find out here in a second. Crank it up. Sure. All right, sit tight. I better really tell whenever I drive her down the road. Alright, we're clear. Not gonna hit. I think it looks pretty good. If anything, it cleans it up under here. Got rid of that other junk that was on top. 200 horsepower right there. I'm telling you. Maybe 200 total. Alright, everybody. Everybody be safe out there. God bless you. We'll see you in the next one. Man, alright. You didn't think I was going to just drive it and y'all not go along with me, right? So we're just cruising down the road. Trying to find a abandoned street, but living in the city I live in, it's kind of hard to do. But we're going to take it for a little spin here. This traffic. Listen to this exhaust. Be a little bit louder whenever I had the spacer underneath the throttle body, but since I took it out, it's not as loud as it used to be. But it'll still go a little bit. I haven't really hopped it up any with like heads, lifters, cam, anything like that. We just running with the stock motor and the air filter I just put on here. Thought we'd just give it a little run around town right quick. Sorry about the sun. So I don't know about a lot of people, but when I'm at a stoplight, to me that's the starting line. Everybody's on their phone, not paying attention to the road. I'm staging my car. I'm getting ready to leave. As soon as it turns green, I'm out of there. Everybody else is just, they're way behind. So there we go. There's another reason I don't have a radio in here. I don't need it. I'd rather listen to my exhaust than a radio. Hope this is you can hear me over the wind. Man, it's all messed up. There we go. So but yeah, we look at my temperature gauge. What was that, about 150? So we're getting her dialed in. Alright, figured y'all want a little extra here. It seems to help a little bit. It picks up a little bit quicker. But we're just getting started. This is a project. My old hot rod GMC truck. Alright everybody, be safe out there.